Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding the button until you see the HAYLOU logo on the screen. Once you see the hello/welcome message on the screen, and we need to download and install the HAYLOU Fun application on our iPhone. And to do it, we need to have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once we do, we can open the App Store. In the App Store we can tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in HAYLOU Fun. And on the list of apps you should see this application. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, you may see some pop-ups about the permission, for example, Bluetooth permission. If you see the Bluetooth one, tap on allow, then tap on agree and continue, then tap on sign in/sign up, and here we need to log in into a HAYLOU account. If you don't have an account, you can make a new one by tapping on sign up, or you can use the third-party account like Facebook or Apple. I'm gonna log in into my account because I already have one, so I'm gonna select the region, then tap here, enter the email address and password. And then we can tap on login. Something went wrong, let me check. Okay, this time it worked. And after you log in, you will see the home page. Now tap on the mine icon. Let me actually increase the brightness a bit. Tap on mine to open the mine page, and here you will see my devices list, and on it there will be a device button. Tap on it. Here scroll through the list of devices and find the HAYLOU Solar Plus, or not Plus, Pro, my bad. So let's look for the Solar Pro. Here it is, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. The app will start searching for the nearby devices and it should detect your Solar Pro. Once it does, tap on it to select it. On the watch, when you see the pop-up, tap on the check mark, tap on pair, allow or deny the permission for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you want to use it, tap on allow, and tap on continue. Here we can allow the weather, so if you want to see like local weather and stuff like that, you will need to allow some permissions. If you don't care, you can skip it. Then we have the Bluetooth calls. This is useful if you want to be able to answer and decline the calls on your watch. So basically somebody calls you on your iPhone and your watch will vibrate, display who is calling, and you can answer it or decline it if you like to on the watch itself. So if you want to use this feature, you will need to tap on allow. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. And then we have notifications again, and you can skip it or tap on allow, and then tap on start using, and you should see the device page for your HAYLOU Solar Pro. And if you wake up the screen on your watch, you will see the watch face, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.